What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. So today I'll be fitting the Aldan American rear shocks to the Camaro. They look like this. So pretty simple installation. You've got a T-bar at the top, and then you've got obviously a loop set up at the bottom with a bracket that attaches to the original mounting plate. So what we're going to do is jack up the rear, put some jack stands under it, whip the wheel off, give us some space, and then we'll go from there. So see you soon.
A few minutes later.
Alright, so what we want to be doing here, like I've said, is just whip the wheel off to give us a bit more space. As you can see, it's jacked up on jack stands. And everything is safe. There we go. Roll this out the way. Alright, so as you can see, burnouts. Yeah, so that's what we'll be replacing. Like I said previously, it's not a great shock, it's just a gas adjust shock, and yeah, it's a bit tired. So let's get on to installing the new one. So all I'm doing is just taking the bottom nut off. Taking the bottom nut off to release it from the lower stock mounting position, or like me, if you've got Caltrax, the Caltrax position. The next step, let me swing you upside down, is to take two bolts out, then the shock just drops out. So not a big task. I think anyone with basic hand tools can do that job. So let's get on with the top ones. So I've just loosened the top off, the top bolts off, one on either side, sorry. Just watch as you get in. You probably just see my arms here, so apologies on the view, but you get the point. There we go. Right, so there's everything off, and then all you want to do is compress. Easier said than done. Let me move you out of the way. Can't do it with one hand. So you just got to compress the shock body into itself just to get clear that nut on the bottom, or that thread. And then there you go. Just remove. So as you can see, you just need to clear that. These are the shockers. KYB gas adjust. They're alright. Bit chintzy, very cheap for what they are, but nowhere near the quality of what I'm putting on. So let me clean the surfaces up a little bit, and we'll get on with installing the Aldan stuff. So I'd mentioned earlier, you've got this bracket that connects to the original stock mount, as you can see there, with a nut. It's obviously a captive bolt, so you can just run that up nice and tight. Obviously you need the bolt to go north and south of your vehicle rather than east and west, so you know, as the axle twists, it doesn't want to flop in on itself. Not that it would, but yeah. As you can see there, you fit this bracket, you put your new shock on, you put the bolt through the shock, through the bushing, and then you just connect the top. I mean, look how thick it is compared to the other ones. And then you just obviously use the stock existing mounting positions and run your bolts in tight. That should be it. So I'll go ahead and install this. I'll stick the shock on, and then we'll see what it looks like. So that's it fitted. Obviously I've left the bottoms loose just so I can get them in place and stuff, but the top's all nice and fitted properly. As you can see, it's nice and snug in there, plenty of space, just some quality gear. So yeah, go down, torque these up, run this right up and torque them to spec, give give them a nice polish, and then there we go. So I think they look the business, and I feel like they're going to work even better. What's good is you can still get to the adjustments on them as well. So even if I him there, and obviously that's got some angle to go on there. So I haven't tightened that up, so that'll nip up nicely because I've left this loose so it can sort of pivot. Sorry for the crappy camera, by the way, guys. I'm trying to do it with one hand so I can show you. But yeah, that will turn around, and there you go. Look, see, that'll turn around and all nicely on that mounting pad. But yeah, overall I'm super happy, super chuffed. You can still get to the double adjustable knobs there, so we can set our compression and rebound. So yeah. So that's it, super easy install. It's like 2 bolts, 1 nut. It took 10 minutes. The longest time was putting it on jack stands and chocking the front wheels. It was, you know, it's done in 10 minutes. It's absolutely nothing. So anyone can do it, like I said earlier. Aldan American, go check them out, aldanamerican.com. They're on Instagram, Facebook and YouTube. They've got much better videos of me on doing it yourself and stuff. So yeah, we will be testing these at the track. The next track session is in a couple of weeks time now at Melbourne Raceway. It's a no prep event. I'll probably be doing the Saturday and the Sunday, but definitely one day. And we'll go from there. We'll play around with the adjustability of it, and obviously the durability as well. We'll see what it's like. Do some road tests, but obviously got to get the coilovers on the front as well. So that's the next job. But yeah, overall super happy, good quality stuff. Go check out Aldan. Check me out on Instagram, obviously at the.nightmaro. You're watching me here, so you know I'm on YouTube. I'm also on Facebook and TikTok. I don't really post anything on there, but yeah, take it easy. If you've got any questions about Aldan, suspension, the Nightmaro, anything, drop them in the comments or hit me up on one of the other socials. And until next time, take it easy, guys. Bye.